Hi, I'm Tash from Heart and Design. Thanks so much for clicking through to this video. If you're watching on YouTube, thank you very much, and please do subscribe, like, comment and share. I'm a new and growing channel and would really appreciate your support. If you are watching this on Patreon, thank you so much for signing up for the monthly sheets and tutorials that I will be loading. There will be much more in time as I've just started, so the summer pack will be there completed by the end of September, and then we have a new set coming out in October, so it's quite exciting. Every month will be a new theme, but taking you through the steps on how to draw. So you really will, if you subscribe with me, you'll be drawing in no time, you'll be painting in no time. I will make sure of it. So let's get started. We're going to start with this sheet, which is a 3-star difficulty. The first picture is just of our boat there. Now these are all drawn digitally to make sure there are very clear lines for you, but we're sketching, so we don't have to be quite the perfectionist with it. You know, not everything in life is dead straight lines, is it? So we can have a little what's the word? I can't think of the word. We don't have to be so specific. We can be a bit looser with it. That's the word. So we have the first shape, and I am still looking, even though I know what's there and I've done this before. I'm still looking and checking. So we're going to move to number 2. So the boat's faded out now because we've done that bit. So each stage is really helpful because what you've done you can't see as well, and so you're focused on exactly what's there. So we're going to come up with the mast and to here, and then there's the long bit to the side. And I'm just going to make sure I've got it exactly how I want by doing sketch lines, so shorter lines to make up a longer line. And then I'm going to come round right to the bottom, round right to the bottom. That was quite simple. And you don't need to sketch those. You can do them in one full sweep because it's a sail. It doesn't have to be perfect anyway. Okay, so we've done step 2. Moving on to step 3, we're now going to draw in the patterns on the sails. Again, because it's on the sails, we don't have to worry about it being perfect. Just do it how you want. You could do completely different patterns. Don't have to copy what's on here. So the next picture is drawing in the waves. So let's get that done. Draw the boat a little bit there. Let's get that done. Okay, I am trying to draw it as similarly to the picture as possible, bearing in mind I am freehand drawing. Go to the next one. We're going to draw in a nice big sun, and then we're done. And that was a 3-star. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, thanks a lot for coming along to my channel or onto Patreon, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please don't forget to comment and ask me questions. I love to hear from you, and I also love to see what you've done with your sheets. There will be other videos like all of the other ones showing you how to colour or how to paint, so keep your eye out for those. I'm always adding new videos. Take care everyone, have a great day.